Okay, right now we are looking at a Softail Deluxe, a 2016 Softail Deluxe. Now what makes this bike unique is the Softail Deluxe never had hard bags. So this bike comes equipped with hard touring bags. Very, very nice option. This motorcycle also has LED turn signals both front and rear. It has a dual Vance & Hines exhaust. It has the 103 cubic inch engine, and it's got custom grips. A very nice touch on this motorcycle. It's got the single seat, so it's set up for a one passenger. It can easily be set up for two. The white walls are definitely a nice touch. If you'd like to see this motorcycle in person, please come down, take a look at it. If you want to get more specs and pricing, you can go to our website at desertwindhd.com and check it out there.